It's a little bit sad. If I think about in the 80s when computer science was first starting, there were more women studying that in the 80s and early 1990s than today.
Hmm.
And there's an interesting interview, a podcast, the BBC Y Factor, Where Did All the Women Go? And they think it was actually a mistake in advertising
Oh no.
about how it was the Atari, um, toys for boys marketing. And even if you think of the movie was it Hidden Figures?
Yes.
Right. So these, it was the women who were doing all the math and learning how to code or, program the IBM mainframe in at that time.
Mm-hmm.
So I think what we have is a combination of skills coming together, technical, mathematical, and then the business domain, whichever business domain you have. So I actually see more diversity in the CDO role, but
Yes.
if you look beyond that, maybe in the data scientist or data analyst role, and for sure in Silicon Valley tech companies, it's super, super hard. And we say we have a leaky pipeline. We might be able to get women into this field, but keeping them in this field is hard. And the pandemic actually has made it worse.
Mm-hmm.